Today I'm going to be showing you how to make at-home face masks with supplies that you already may have on hand. It doesn't replace the medical grade ones, but it's better than nothing when you're leaving the house to get essentials. Let's get started.
You will need 2 hair ties per mask. Using coated rubber bands is best. A clean scarf, bandana, or square cloth. Coffee filters are optional. Here are the items you will need for our super easy, no stitching, 1-minute face mask. Starting with hair ties. I have 2 for each face mask. Next, we have the actual fabric that we will be using. Here I have a scarf and a bandana. Any kind of square piece of fabric will work. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make this mask 3 times, and at the end I'll include how to use the coffee filters if you have them. Getting started, you're going to take your piece of fabric and lay it out flat. Then you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to take that and fold it in half one more time. Then we'll flip it over just to make sure that the stitching part is on the inside, facing you. Next, we'll be using our hair ties. We'll start by using 1 hair tie and 1 end of the fabric. You're going to take the hair tie and pull the fabric through the hair tie. And repeat again on the opposite end of the fabric. It should look something like this. Next, you're going to take 1 end and fold it inwards. And repeat on the other side. Adjust the fabric as you please. And that is all. Next up, I'll be using my bandana as the fabric, which is a little bigger than the face mask that I just made. You're going to be folding it in half and folding it in half once again. Flip it over and make sure the stitching is facing toward you. You're going to grab those hair ties and pull the fabric on one end through 1 hair tie and repeat on the other side. Fold both ends of the fabric inwards. And voila! Finally, I'll be making the same mask that I did at the beginning of the video, only this time I'll be incorporating a coffee filter for an added layer of protection. I'll be making the mask the same way as before, so you can just watch this final time, or you can follow along. You'll want to be sure to launder your mask daily. If you have enough fabric to make 2 masks, then you'll be able to alternate, and you'll always have one ready for the next day. If you use a coffee filter, you'll definitely want to make sure to change it out after each use. Incorporating a coffee filter into the mask is really easy. Now that the mask is done, we'll grab our coffee filter, smooth it out, fold it in half, and place it inside of the mask.
Per mask. And then whatever fabric you